How to solve x for x is equal to 3 power of 18. What is the value of x? So we have x power x is equal to 3 power of 18 can be written as 3 power of 2 times 9. Now we have x power x is equal to 3 power of 2 times 9 can be written as 3 power 2 then bracket power of 9. According to this rule, a power of m times n is equal to a power m bracket power n. So we have x power x is equal to 3 power 2 is same as 9, then 3 power 2 is same as 9, then power of 9. Now here we can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here. So x will be equal to 9. So 9, this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.
How to simplify 8 to the power 3 plus 8 to the power 3 is equal to what? First of all, we take common 8 to the power 3. So we can write here 8 to the power 3. First bracket start. Then 8 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3. That means 1 plus and same as 8 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3. That means 1. First bracket close. Then 8 to the power 3 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket 3. 1 times 1 plus 1, that means 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 3, that means 9 times 2 to the power 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. So we can write here 2 is same but different power. Same base but different power. So we can write here common 2 power 9 plus power 1. So we can write here 2 to the power 9 plus 1, that means
10. So 2 to the power 10 is the correct answer.